taas mo. Ang hindi makita yung lanitsa.
Ayan, dilim. Sa'yo yan eh. Ikaw yan eh. Anak, ay, ito yung malaya.
Pataas pa lang yan.
Magsalita kayo. Magsalita kayo. Magsalita kayo.
Magsalita.
Oh.
Morning.
Good morning.
It's Monday, the August, ano ba ngayon?
August 10,
14, 15, 16. I believe it's August 16. We're having a
walk.
walk here
Morning walk.
beside
Morning
the
walk.
village, White Clover Village. And it's so beautiful, sunny,
Wow.
and it's 6 o'clock in the morning, past 6.
Wow.
And we witnessed the sunrise.
Very nice. Wow.
It's so beautiful, very relaxing, and we're really having a great time. So much fun seeing these beautiful big rocks of lava from my left, from my right.
Wow.
And you can see the background, most of them are golf course, and you can see those palm trees all around the island, and the streets are so clean, and the landscape are really well maintained, and you can see the clouds right there at the back. It's nice. It's kind of what you call this? Looks like cotton balls. Over there you can see, I believe so, is the volcano, but I don't remember the name.
Mauna Kea.
Okay.
Mauna Kea
And here on my
volcano.
left is the facility. This is the I think where they store the golf club car, and this is their maintenance building. You show the building.
Na
And sasakyan, no? You don't see much cars around or traffic because it's really a paradise. It's an island. No traffic, no smog. Parang magkakasal.
Wow, ang ganda.
Jill.
Ang ganda ng view. Sana nagpakuha ka dyan. Ang ganda ng view.
What else? We're still in the same. We're still in the same spot. That's why you can see much. We just keep walking and walking, and having
eh,
a great time. And it's I think ano ng oras baga ngayon? Past 6. Past 6. You can see those plants right here. They are mostly ferns and palm. Small palm. And
tumabay kayo. Okay.
Ang ganda.
it's you show the mountain range. You show the volcano right there, oh. Dapat ginamit mo pa yan, kung sa simula pa lang, pambihira ka. Para na-download natin yung saan?
Ganda ng view.